Now let's review this figure 21-60, and we're determining what is a class 1 zone 0 location in accordance with NEC 505.5B2. Now notice again the zone 1, it gives you the description of the zone 1 location, and notice it's outside the tank, not inside. That'd be zone 0, but it's outside the tank. Now, to get these vertical and horizontal dimensions and everything that you see here in the illustration, you would need to look at the ANSI standard 679-10-1. And it gives you the pros and nuts about how you would classify that and so forth for the distance, vertically and horizontally. But notice you could pick up the wiring methods allowed in this zone 1 and 505.15. The equipment that you could use is 505.20, and the grounding procedures and how far you'd ground equipment back to the earth grounding point would be 505.25. Now, notice this zone 1 at the very bottom of the illustration shows that this gas is there occasionally. So that means it's there less than 1,000 hours, but 100 hours or more. So that's what this figure 21-60 is illustrating, how you'd classify a Class 1 Zone 1 location in accordance with the outlined information in NEC 505.5 B as in boy 2. And that's what this illustration is illustrating to the user of the NEC.